same price, a shop offers one 18-inch pizza, two 14-inch pizzas, or three 10-inch pizzas. You can find the best deal if you can calculate the area of circles. Area is the amount of space that a flat surface occupies. Area is measured by how many unit squares fit inside a figure. A unit square is 1 unit long and 1 unit high. How many unit squares do you think will fit inside the figure? Drag unit squares into the figure to find out. The area of the figure is 8 square units, because 8 unit squares fit inside the figure. Since it is not always convenient to cover a figure with unit squares, it is helpful to know the area formulas for some special figures. A circle is a figure with all points the same distance from the center. To develop the area for a circle, recall that circles have a radius of length r and a circumference equal to 2 times pi times the length of the radius. Next, divide the circle into equal-sized wedges. Notice that you can drag half of the wedges to make a length equal to about half the circumference of the circle, or pi times r. Now drag the other half of the wedges to make a parallelogram shape. You may recall that the area of a parallelogram is base times height. The base of the parallelogram is half the circumference of the circle, or pi times r. The height of the parallelogram is equal to the radius of the circle. Since the area of the circle equals the area of the parallelogram, the area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. What do you think is the area of the circle below? Use 3.14 for pi. The area is pi times the radius squared, or approximately 113 square units. What do you think is the area of this next circle? This time you are given the diameter rather than the radius. The radius of a circle is always half the diameter. So the area of a circle with a diameter of 8 units is approximately 50 square units. Now back to the problem of finding the best deal if one 18-inch pizza, two 14-inch pizzas, and three 10-inch pizzas are all the same price. The area of the 18-inch pizza is 1 times pi times 9 squared, or approximately 254 square inches. The area of the 14-inch pizzas is 2 times pi times 7 squared, or approximately 308 square inches. The area of the 10-inch pizzas is 3 times pi times 5 squared, or approximately 236 square inches. The two 14-inch pizzas have the greatest area and are therefore the best deal.